Welcome to the replay. Hey everyone, welcome. It's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent couturier with Chalk Couture. As you guys come on, please make sure you say hello to me. I would love to welcome you. If you're catching me live, you will see the big red live box in the upper left-hand corners. That means we can chat right here on Facebook, and I would love it if you would share this video, which is in the bottom left-hand corner. And if you guys are checking me out on YouTube, please make sure you subscribe to my channel for all the fun, crafty videos coming up with all our new designs. I greatly appreciate it. So, hey, you guys, happy Friday evening. I hope you're having a great 4th of July weekend. I'm excited to be here again with you tonight to do a new design. Super excited. So all these great things that you see around me are made from products from Chalk Couture. So real quick, for those of you that are new, let me throw this up here on the screen for you. So what is Chalk Couture? So we are a DIY home decor and crafting company, and you will not find our products anywhere else except through designers like myself. We offer silkscreen reusable transfers. We have our Chalkology chalk paste, and then we have Couture inks. We do offer several services like chalkboards, box wood frame, canvas pillowcases, and totes. And we have some beautiful new surfaces coming out in this catalog. And one of them I'm going to be using tonight. Hey, Amy, welcome. And then we do have all the tools that you need to do your finished product. You guys, we are a one-stop shop for your DIY home decor. It is just absolutely amazing. But the greatest thing that I can offer to you is a ground floor home business opportunity. Hey, Tony. This is available in the US for $99 and then also in Canada for $129. And this is the brand new beautiful starter kit. So it has the 8 transfers, the 5 chalk paste, 2 surfaces, your catalog, your thank you cards, your amazing startup guide. You guys, this is absolutely amazing. Hey, Mandy, welcome. And this kit, I am blown away by the products in this kit and the designs that we have come out with from fall. I am telling you, now is the time to be a part of this amazing company, you guys. This new catalog has totally blown it out of the water with all the new transfers, all the new surfaces, all the new tools. I mean, we are truly that one-stop shop for DIY home decor, and what a great opportunity to have it as a home business. So if you are interested in that, my website was up there on the screen, or reach out to me. I do have a private opportunity group where you can watch a short video. You can learn all about the process of becoming a designer, the ins and outs, and I am telling you, you will not regret it. It has been the best decision of my life. So you guys, let me get this up here on the screen for you. Tonight we are doing this amazing design. Hey Sandy, how are you? I'm super excited to do this one. I just think that this transfer is going to be so popular. This one is called Our Baked Fresh, and it's 2 different transfers. And you guys, really nice on the back of the transfers, it gives you all the directions on how to peel, apply, remove, clean, dry, and store. They now added fuzzing. They also added heat setting if you're using inks, which is super, super cool. So I'm just going to take this out, because we're only going to be using one part of this design tonight. Now remember, these transfers are all reusable, right? So you usually get anywhere from 8 to 10 uses out of one transfer. Honestly, you can get a lot more, but I have to tell you 8 to 10. And all I'm going to do is take, oh, look guys, we have our own scissors now. They're available to purchase. They say Chalk Couture. They match the transfers. How awesome is that? So I'm going to cut this right apart. I love these. These are like the best scissors ever. Transfer cutters, as we call them. These are our transfer cutters, you guys. So I'm just going to cut this apart right on that cut line that they give you. I'm going to set this one aside because, you guys, I'm not even using this one tonight. It is actually the one that's on the front of the catalog. Look how awesome that would be in a kitchen, right? Totally perfect. But this one I'm going to set aside for a later design. Now, this surface, you guys, check this out. This is one of our new surfaces. Let me put this where you can see this. This is called our Odette whiteboard. Hey, Sarah, welcome. I think this is so gorgeous. Really, really nice. It's got, oops, I'm glad I did that.
I can't get the answer to that on Apple Watch.
Oops, see, my watch is talking to me. I don't know what I did there. So it does have the little hangers on the back, so always make sure you put them the right way, okay? Now I'm going to take my transfer, and our first step is to always write on the back of your transfers. Because remember, these are all reusable. So once we're done, oh, Sarah, that's awesome. Thanks so much for watching. You're from Ohio. My husband actually grew up in Ohio. Super awesome. So you always want to write on the back of your transfer because these are reusable, you guys. 8 to 10 uses for one transfer. So always make sure you do that. If you don't, no big deal. I'll show you the trick for that. But you just want to do that so it's easy peasy. Then what you're going to do is take your finger. You're going to rub it over the side of the transfer to get it started. Don't pick at the corner. Oh, thank you so much, Sarah. That's so awesome and sweet of you. Thank you. And I always like to remove my transfer or my carrier sheet from my transfers. Now, there's two sides to this, right? So you have your adhesive side, and then you have the front side. The adhesive side is obviously what's going to go on our board, but what we are going to do is fuzz this up because it's brand new and it's super sticky, and I'm putting this on a whiteboard. All I'm doing is applying it to our amazing fuzzing cloth that we offer at Chalk Couture. Hey, Tracy. And then I'm just going to remove it. And it just kind of takes a little bit of that stickiness away. Now, these are also great for cleaning as well. Okay? So then I'm going to set that aside. And then real quick, I want to show you guys. I do this all the time, but I like to make sure in case there's any new watchers. There is a shiny side to your carrier sheet and a matte side. The shiny side is the side that your transfer goes back on. Just remember that in case you don't write on the back. All right, so now I've got my transfer. And this is what I love. So these have all the detailing right in here, you guys. Totally right in the design. So there's no guesswork. There's no, oh, I want this to be like distressed looking. These transfers do all the work for you. And if you've got a cute little coffee station, this is going to be the perfect sign for that. This would be great in any kitchen or home. It'd make a great housewarming gift too. So I'm just going to find where I want it. I'm going to place it. It kind of fits perfectly in this Odette whiteboard. I love it. I'm going to place it down, and then I'm going to smooth it out so there's no air bubbles in my silk screen. So all this area you can see right here is all silk screen, okay? So I'm just smoothing this out. And if there's air bubbles in like this green area, none of that matters. It's only where your silk screen is. I got a little one right there, but I think I'm okay. It's not really in my letters. Okay, and then I smooth it out. If I needed to reposition, I totally could. And then I am using our chalk paste today. Now I'm going to be using black. I'm going to be using our shimmering gold. And then this color here, this is actually one that we got at ChalkCon this past weekend. That it's just exclusive for designers. It's like a shimmering, oh, I don't know. It's kind of like a shimmering red, but it's a little on the, it's got like a little pink hue to it. So we do have a brand new color that I've ordered all my stuff because we just launched this beautiful new catalog. So I don't have all the new colors yet. So I'm improvising using this color because I think shimmering red would look amazing. Because actually, this was one of our make and takes that we did at ChalkCon. And I have to give credit to my BFF, Nikki, who did this beautiful design with the shimmering red. So I'm kind of using something similar to that, but, you know, we'll improvise. It'll be good. Shimmering gold is my absolute favorite color. Love this color. I use it all the time. And our chalk paste, you guys, it is water soluble and semi-permanent. So it goes on as the liquid, it dries as the solid, and then it stays on there until you want to take it off or until you seal it. Okay? So I just want to spray this in there. Your chalk paste, you want it to be like that nice yogurt sour cream consistency. If it is not, you just add some water and stir it up. So is anyone doing anything fun this weekend for 4th of July? I'm working. But what are you guys doing that's fun? Do you go see fireworks? Are there fireworks tonight anywhere by you? I'm just cleaning this up a little bit, you guys. Hey, Diane, welcome. This is still really, really thick. I'm just going to add a little bit more water. So I think I'm going to do an ombre on my hot coffee, like the top and bottom. And then I'm going to do my Always Brewed Fresh in the red, like the pinky red. We'll see how this looks. I think it'll be pretty. I hope so, anyway. All right, so got that all ready to go. Our town is tonight. Oh, nice, Nicole. That's awesome. I heard around here in New Jersey, like our town had them last night, but a town down the street has them tonight somewhere. My doggy does not like fireworks. My doggy does not like them at all. All right, so I'm going to take my squeegee, you guys. And like I said, I'm going to do an ombre. So I'm going to get this. I'm going to get some chalk paste on here. And I'm just going to put it where I want it. I'm just scraping it across my silk screen. No rhyme or reason. Because I'm going to do a little ombre on this. All right. So I may need a little bit more in a second here. I'm hoping this works the way I think it will. We'll see. I just don't want to hit, oh, and I don't want to put that back in my, yeah, I need a new squeegee there. Don't ever contaminate your chalk paste with the different color, because then you'll be sad. And this, I kind of got to watch what I'm doing here, because I want to make sure. All right, so then I'm going to blend these two together the best I can. Okay, so kind of like ombreing this, right? You just get your finger and rub it together. And pray it turns out good. If it doesn't turn out good, you guys, guess what? I will wash it off and redo it. That is exactly what I will do if I need to. Okay. I want to clean off my fingers. Nikki, I'm doing this like you. You're in Central Illinois. I'm trying to do it like yours, Nikki. I don't know if it's going to work, but I'm going to try. All right, so I am going to get my little multi-purpose tool to kind of get in here in these little areas. Telling you guys, pray for the best on this. Pray for the best on this, Nikki. Hoping it turns out. I'm going to use my little shimmering color. Oh gosh, you guys, you see the glitter in this. Oh my goodness. I love it. Sorry. It's got glitter. Oh, it's got glitter. This is going to look so cute. I got to be careful around here because I don't want to keep... Oh. Got a little bit of gold there. A little bit. A little bit of gold. It's all good. We got this. We got this. Any excess you scrape off, you put back in your jar. Unless it's contaminated, then you don't. And all I mean by contaminated is that I've kind of got other colors in it. All right. And then, sorry, my darn sleeves. I got my work clothes on still, you guys. Ugh. I just don't want to get my sleeves in there. So then when you remove your transfer, remember top to bottom, left to right. OMG. OMG. Yes, it's so pretty. You guys, look how nice the gold looks with the black. Oh my gosh. It's gorgeous. Now this transfer, you guys, I'm just sticking it in my tub of water along with all my squeegees. Again, nothing fancy. Anyone can do this. Little tub of water, and then I will clean this off, all right? And look at that. There's no weeding involved. There's no pulling off any of the vinyl. You guys, the transfer does the work for you. And when I say everybody needs this transfer, because everybody knows somebody that likes coffee, it is absolutely perfect. Oh my gosh. I love how that turned out. Thank you, Nikki, for the inspiration, you guys. Look how beautiful. So I ombre'd the gold and the black. And like I said, this would be done in the shimmering red color that we have now. I just used the color that I had that we got. That it's got a shimmer to it. I know you guys probably can't see it, but it is so pretty. Now, if I wanted to, you guys, I could make this permanent and seal it. All I would need to do is spray it with this Krylon sealer. It's a clear sealer. You can buy this at any local craft store. You would spray it, and I highly recommend you spray it outside because it's very strong. You let it dry, and that will make your design permanent. Hey, Charmaine, welcome. But if not, you know, I could totally redo this design, change it out if I wanted to. All I would need is a little bit of water, and then it would be done. I could change it out for each and every season. But this, I think, is absolutely gorgeous. I think it would be great for anybody's home. I just can't believe how perfect that turned out. I'm so happy. And that's why I love Chalk Couture. So you guys, if you are interested in learning more, like I said, I do have a private business opportunity group. If you want to be a designer like myself, because you thought this was really cool, just let me know. You can comment #join. If you're interested in being a part of my VIP group, and again, that is for customers only. Yay, I love all these. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yay. If you want to be a part of my VIP group, and I am going to be doing a Christmas in July very soon, as long as you are not a designer, just comment #VIP, and I will get you the link to my VIP group. But you guys, if you have any questions about Chalk Couture, please let me know. Hey, Tammy, welcome. Other than that, I'm going to sign off because I know it's kind of late. It's 9:30 here, and the fireworks are going to be starting soon. So I want to get upstairs with my hubby and my puppy. Nicole, would you like to be added to the VIP or the opportunity group? Just let me know which one. As long as you're not a designer, I can give you the link to both. Absolutely. So you guys, thanks so much for tuning in and watching tonight. Again, if you love this video, the greatest compliment you could give me is a share. I would love it if you would share my video. And I will be chalking with you later, you guys. Have a great night.